One of the most commonly overlooked aspects when building an application is monitoring. Usually, resource monitoring is set up providing information on high CPU usage, RAM usage, or unusual number of disk reads and writes. However, application performance monitoring, which regularly performs basic queries to the application to check its availability and correct functioning, is often neglected and left for later. What's the benefit? Let's consider a situation where our application is not used evenly by the users throughout the day. For example, we are developing an application for renting reusable food containers. Naturally, the application is used mainly during the day, with the peak usage during the lunchtime. Thanks to the application performance monitoring, we can find out about the problem earlier and react before it escalates. Therefore, even though application monitoring is often an overlooked solution, we use it in all our projects, and it has frequently allowed us to find the problem before it even reached out to the users.